To a primetime news follow-up now, the St. Elizabeth police say the 41-year-old man whom they rescued from an angry mob after he reportedly confessed to killing and dumping his partner's body in the Black River on Monday is now in custody. They say he was released from hospital and will be charged after a question and answer session in another few days. 50-year-old farmer Nicole Brown, better known as Nicky, was reported missing after residents did not see her in the community on Monday morning. They say they only saw her partner leave and return with a bag and seemed like he was trying to leave the area. When they cornered and questioned him in Barton Wharf district, Lacovia, late Monday night, they say he told them he placed the body in the river by some boats. After almost an entire day of searching with help from divers from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the body eventually floated up to the surface of the Black River about 5:30 Tuesday afternoon. Residents have condemned the killing, describing the woman as a quiet person. Police are reminding residents to seek professional help, like calling any domestic violence centers to deal with conflicts so they do not escalate to becoming fatal.